what we do here is go back.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Naomi and this is my boyfriend Lance. So today we're going to be making fried hot Cheeto chicken donut sandwiches and some cheese sticks. So for the video, you're gonna need some hot Cheeto puffs, some cheese sticks. You're gonna need some flour, some vegetable oil, some eggs, and some chicken. So let's get into the video. Oh yeah, and donuts. Alright, let's go. So first I'm gonna start with cutting the chicken in half while Lance just crushes up the Cheetos. I thought you were gonna cut them down the other way.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep, that's the ding over way.
I gotta cut this bottom. Alright, so since the chicken is kind of thick, I'm gonna slice her vertically. No, horizontally. Stop trying to use big words.
Yeah, you're doing too much. Wait, how you're not gonna...
I'm gonna do horizontal. Alright, so this one chicken patty, we got two chicken patties. Okay, question number one. How did you guys meet? So he had posted on Snapchat, and I swiped up one time because, you know, I had to slide into the DMs
Slid
or
my
whatever.
DMs.
Yeah, I slid into his DMs. Oh yeah, yeah. So I swiped up and we started talking, and yeah, that's how we met. What is your age? So we're gonna take the flour now, and we're gonna pour it into this.
Jesus.
So what we're also gonna do next is we're gonna take our eggs and we're gonna crack them.
Jesus. I ain't got a show. You're that type of person.
I need a show. Gives it a little bit of crunch. So what we're gonna do is we're going to dip it into the flour. And then after we dip it into the flour, we're gonna dip it into the egg. It's backwards. No, you dip it into the egg.
Yeah, you dip it in the egg. That's why I was looking at it.
No. You can't be wrong. It's flour.
No, it's supposed to stick to the egg.
No, it's going to. No. Okay, you do one then.
And then you press the boots. Why would you get the flour all wet?
Okay, now what? Dip it back in the egg and then dip it into your crushed hot Cheetos that you don't have in a bowl yet. We're gonna put the oil and start getting it ready for frying.
Let's go. Do it one at a time or?
Put them multiple.
So what was your guys' first date?
I think it was House.
It was Kobe's.
It was Kobe's. It
Wow.
wasn't me. I thought it was. We go there a lot.
Instead of going to homecoming, we went to Kobe's and then we went to the
That
beach.
wasn't our first
Yes,
date.
it was. Yeah, it was. Actual date? Yeah, it was.
Well, I count Wing House as a date.
How long do you let it sit?
I don't know.
Oh Lord.
Give me a unique question.
What type of deodorant do you wear?
None.
Oh, so she's a natural.
I believe in natural older.
Oh.
What are your plans for after school? He's going to college. I know that. What about you? Oh, me.
School.
I'm probably gonna go to school for 2 years, at least 2 years, and then transfer maybe, I don't know. I want to get an apartment after 2 years.
Where are you going for 2 years?
She's gonna.
Yeah,
So you're going to community.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
going to a community college.
What are you going to take up in community college? Are you just going to take classes like everybody else and get stuck in the system?
Take classes, get financial aid.
Yeah, get that check, water, goddamn, get that money, shit.
What's your favorite body part? Yeah, booty. I like your booty. That wasn't a joke either, because I actually think
Your nose. That's all I said, your nose.
Who loves to cuddle with their mommy more? No one. He doesn't like to cuddle with mommy. She likes me better. Okay? I get all the cuddles. All the cuddles. We don't cuddle with mommies.
That's what she thinks.
No, that's what I know.
Cuddle with your mom.
I get that. He do me. He be cuddling. He be cuddling. Don't try to change the topic. Look at that. I know she look good.
You heard that? Jesus! A monster just
You have to
came
try
out
it at
of
the
you.
same time. I'm waiting on you.
Just came out.
I like it. It's a little bit of crispiness. The donut is good, of course, because I'm just fat.
Oh no. It tastes weird.
I love it.
It's like sweet. And then chicken.
Exactly. It's not hot at all. Popeye's chicken sandwich, that spicy mayo stuff or whatever it is. Who invited you?
How do you guys manage to stay with each other during hard times?
He apologizes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll say sorry sometimes.
Mostly just be over something stupid.
Uh-huh. Something small. And we're both hard-headed, so it's really hard.
Like what's an example?
Coronavirus.
No. We're
Okay.
arguing about hand sanitizer.
Well, I
If
think-
it worked.
They were saying
Who's funnier?
me.
No. You're just immature.
No, definitely me.
She's just childish.
No, definitely me.
She thinks everything's funny.
Me. Not everything. Like 99.9%.
Exactly. Who's the boss?
I am. Me. I wear the pants. For sure.
You have no common sense whatsoever.
I have every sense.
Anyways. We're gonna cut that part out. Okay?
Okay. Rosie said, not a question, but I love how y'all mind your business in the craziness of high school. Thank you.
Naomi don't mind her business. Naomi's nosy.
Okay, I'm nosy, but I don't say nothing. Like, I be in... No, people tell me their business. I just keep it to myself. And him. This is my diary very cute.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Cheese sticks.
They're not hot anymore, are they? You can't do a cheese bowl, can you? I think I can.
You can taste the hot Cheetos on these.
Oh, I'm trying. Very... Oh. I'll heat one up. I'll heat one up just for the
It's alright.
satisfaction.
Not bad.
For the what? I don't know.
I think she meant to
Something
say
like that.
satisfied.
No. That ain't it either.
It says satisfaction.
Yeah, I think she meant to say satisfied. Sound like no
For
way
this.
you were trying to.
You get what I mean.
Was it English?
Yeah, what?
Satisfaction.
Yeah, satisfactory.
How you still say it wrong?
I said satisfactory.
Satisfaction.
Oh. Satisfaction.
I lose brain cells. And you won't be able to
Did you
pull
eat
it.
the other half of my donut?
No.
Did you eat my donut? You said it was too much.
Not the donut itself.
I like these crunchy pieces.
I don't know, I'm not too big fan of chicken.
so cringy. That was horrible. I got you guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Have anything on my face?
Maybe on your lip.
No.
No.
Crust. Keep going.
But we already have a donut.
But it's just for the thumbnail. Next question is, when did you guys meet?
Freshman year? Summer of freshman year, yes.
Summer of freshman year. How long have you guys been dating?
About a year and almost 7
months.
Yeah, a year and almost 7 months.
First impressions.
So me and my friend Karen were standing in the hall, and Lance was walking by with his friends, and I was like, Karen, who is that? And she was like, oh, that's a new kid. And I was like, watch, I'm gonna make him my boyfriend. And look at me now. But my first impression, I thought he was cute. He was alright. That's about it. He was alright.
My first impression, I was just wondering how or why you were dating Brian.
Oh my goodness. First impression when you saw me.
That's when I saw you with him.
Okay. That works.
Next question. What is your favorite thing about each other?
You know, that's a very hard question. There's so many things. I'd have to say his personality. He's funny sometimes. Isn't it?
Mine's probably your weirdness.
Yeah. I am kind of
'Cause,
weird.
you know, you're very weird. It's a good thing and a bad thing.
They just don't know. Y'all don't know yet. But it's coming.
What was that?